Hello, in this video we want to explain about setting up the electric motor in the left-right rotation with full protection with PLC. The power circuit is the same as the left-right manual mode, only by PLC is writing the command circuit program. We changed this part of the circuit for complete protection. If you have seen the previous video, this episode is liked here. If you connect these two parts here, in this case, the setup the complete protection. No more comments from X0, X1 for the outputs, and Y0 or Y1 must be disabled to enable the other output. We put these two inputs from the right-handed, left-handed. If this input is activated, the motor will be started in the left hand direction and the left hand contactor will be activated. Now if we want activate right-handed drive, it doesn't allow. The motor must be completely turned off from the left-handed position and the motor shaft must be stopped completely and then it start clockwise. The difference with the quick setup is that we remove the X0, X1 input from the Y0, Y1 circuit. Be sure to watch the previous video, the link of which I put in the description of this video to understand the difference between fast startup and full protection. Now this program was full protect. Now the motor is right-handed drive, it doesn't allow left-hand drive. We have to stop the program and then start it left-handed. So the previous mode should be stopped and then the new mode should be started. So this protection is done by using the PLC program inside the PLC. When you use the PLC, the amount of the wiring is reduced. If you want to run the same program without PLC, we would have to do more wiring. Now, using PLC is only supply current the contactor coils, and you don't using the normally open and normally closed contacts of the contactor. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments. Thanks.